And on top of that, this credit repair business you have going on, like how much money have you making? Have you been making? Do you know?
I get like 5 customers a week, so
Okay,
I
so much
make
does that make
about
you?
I charge 50. So mostly I get around 200 or 250.
250. And it's just
So we're
like
gonna
word of
say
mouth, I'm guessing,
250 a
right?
month. We're gonna say 250 a month. Yeah, it's word of mouth.
Yeah. All right, so 250 a month. Now, let me ask you a question, right? This credit repair thing, is it something that you actually want to pursue, or do you like construction and that's what you want to do?
Really, credit is the main thing I love to do, but the construction just to just have a great income coming
Yeah,
in
steady
to
income.
my credit business to my credit business blow up, and then eventually I want to leave.
Okay, let me ask you a question. What, show me like, all right, so tell me what's your process. So let's say, for example, I come to you, I have a few charge-offs, I have collections in my account, I have a few missed payments. How do you fix my credit?
First, I send them a chart. I send them a chart so they can know what is credit first. I like to teach people about credit before I do all that because I don't want to just fix your credit score and you don't know what credit is. So
Okay.
I explain what credit utilization is, payment history, dictated marks, account history, all that. I explain that and break it down in a way they understand.
Okay.
I try to do it a little different. So if say you like basketball, I try to put it in basketball terms,
Okay.
and they get it more. So that's why more people recommend me because I'm not gonna get off the phone to you to you get
So
it,
you understand? Yeah.
so you understand. And the way I get rid of collections, I just call them or I tell them to call the people and ask them. And the first person say no, I just like you said, just keep recalling and keep recalling. And eventually, sometimes they work and sometimes they don't.
Okay. And what else do you do with charge-offs,
Um,
late payments, and all that stuff?
Say that again.
Charge-offs and late payments.
Charge late payments. That I haven't ran too many of those. Nobody had
Okay.
came to me with a late payment yet. So honestly, I just started it. I didn't want to. I kept pushing it back because I was like, no, I don't know if I'm ready. But I just started, and I never got nobody that had a late payment yet. So honestly, I don't know what to do. So
So
I'm
what are,
glad
what
you
are the,
asked
what are
it.
the issues you probably run into like when it comes to like your credit card business? What do you run into?
Most I run it is to people not knowing what credit is, and mostly
Okay.
collections.
So it
That
sound
I never ran through somebody that don't make payments on time.
okay. So it sounds like so you wouldn't know how to. Okay. So it sounds like I have a business starting, and I'm usually just fixing collections by calling them in and all that stuff. And on top of that, I'm more of educating people on credit. Does that sound right?
Right.
Okay. So
That's more my target. It's really more of teach you about credit, not more of fixing it. Because well, I
okay.
can help you fix it, but I don't really know the information on, how to get rid of a late payment and everything like that.
Okay. Here would be my advice, right? My advice would be if you want to get into like helping people full time as far as like credit and all this stuff and like finance, like probably just start reading a lot more about that stuff, right? And then if you want to start, for
Okay.
example, a YouTube channel on it and build a course, because by the way, getting on the phone and making things a lot more personal is very good, right? Like one-on-one conversations, all this stuff. But when it comes to a business and a large scale business, it's one of the most inefficient ways to do it because basically there's only one of you and you can't go through all those things every single day, right? So probably better
Right.
if you learn a bit more about everything, the whole process, from people that actually know what they're doing, like more than you do, like a person that you actually admire a lot, and find out everything that person knows, and then say to them, like, okay, I'm gonna build a course, the best course ever, when it comes to educating you on credit and how to fix your own credit. And then what you
Okay.
need to do is drive traffic. How do you drive traffic to that? If you want to do organic, for example, you do YouTube videos on, hey, here's how you fix credit. And you go through everything that I went through, for example, when it comes to making videos on Instagram, promoting it. And that's basically it. Does that make sense?
That makes a lot of sense. And the mentor part, really, yeah, I feel like you're my mentor. I really been watch. I really watch all your videos. I come into all your videos. Literally, you like on some of them. Um,
Thank you.
I literally watch every video you drop. Like every credit card video you made. I literally
Mm-hmm.
watch all. I watch all your videos. Really, your saving account that you just made. I watch that too. I watch each one, and sometimes if I'm really cool with the person, I even tell them about the waterfront. I say, hey man, you should start doing the waterfront. Just put like $25 in there and just explain with it's the highest saving account, and that it builds money over time. And I tell them about Acorns and all that. Even you don't know you don't use Acorn anymore, but I tell people about Acorn because it's something I do. I don't want to tell them something about something an app that I don't use. So I rather tell them something that I know what's working for me, and just tell them, what to do, and just put a recurring payment on there. And I tell them to do that on their credit cards. The main thing, what I have ran to about credit card is people not knowing about credit. So I haven't really ran to nobody with not missing payments and all that. And if I don't know the information, man, I would sit there and look there on YouTube, watch the whole video on the body, and try to sit there and explain it, because I'm good at getting information and try to put it in a way that a person can understand. Even though I don't understand it, but I can literally sit there and explain it.